everyone and welcome back again. Today's recipe is potato meatloaf. This recipe is a cheesy meaty goodness on your plate. Kids will love it. You can use it as an appetizer or kids after school snack. You can even use it as a dinner side. Let's assemble it. Come on.
Let's make the filling layer by adding some of the most fragrant spices and seasonings to the ground chicken. The best part of this recipe is that you don't have to marinate the chicken and you can cook it immediately. You can also make this dish a day ahead and then bake it at the time you want to eat it. Such a simple yet a wonderful dish to serve your family and friends. Kids love this fun dish. Mix and we will cook it right away. We will cook the chicken and also make sure there's no moisture left for easy assembly. The detailed recipe with measurements is in the description box below, and I have also posted some amazing recipe links just for you.
This still needs to cook a bit.
This is perfect. Keep it aside to cool a bit. Let's make the outer layer. These are boiled and mashed potatoes. These are store-bought seasoned breadcrumbs, but you can also use any that are easily available or you can make them at home. We will need to season the potatoes also to make sure they are full of flavor. Cheese will help in binding when baked later. Mix and we are ready to make the outer layer. Use this right away, otherwise it may dry out. Place the parchment paper on a baking tray and start spreading the potato mixture as evenly as you can in a thin and even layer. Take your time and make sure it's equal on all sides. Spread half the mozzarella cheese evenly. Then place the cooled chicken mixture over the cheese evenly and make an even layer. Now place the remaining cheese on top of the chicken layer, again placing evenly. We will now start rolling with the help of the parchment paper to make into a log. Make sure you roll as tightly as possible. Perfect. Now close this tightly. I have used 2 sheets of aluminum foil since the log is longer. Roll it in the foil and secure the ends tightly. Place on a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. I'm transferring this onto a serving dish. Be careful, the log is very hot. We will unwrap and cut the edges off and cut this into 1-inch pieces. Looks amazing, isn't it? Thanks for watching.
Now this looks like a lengthy recipe, but it's not. Now you will see how quick and easy it is for you to assemble everything together and make it into a lovely looking dish. Everyone is going to love it. My family loves it. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try it at home and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, show some love, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week with another exciting recipe. Bye.